How to update the Vita app. First of all, open Play Store on your device and wait a few seconds until it loads fully. Once you are inside, tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type Vita and select the correct one, Vita developed by Snow Corporation. When the app page opens, look for the update button. If an update is available, you will see the update option instead of install or open. Tap on update and the latest version of the Vita app will begin downloading immediately. The update size may vary, so depending on your internet speed, it might take a few seconds to a minute. Once the update is complete, the button will change to open. Tap on it to launch the updated Vita app and enjoy the newest features, improved performance, bug fixes, and smoother editing tools. Now you know how to update the Vita app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.